We are Pakistan, Part 137. Now we talk about transport and telecommunications. The development of a transport system provides a sound base for the socio-economic growth of the country. With a growing population and expansion in agriculture and industry, the demand for efficient transport has increased over the years. We are going to learn about Pakistan Railways, dry ports, roads, air transport, water transport, Gwadar Port, benefit of developing transport system, telecommunications. There are four major means of transport in Pakistan: rail, road, air, and water. Pakistan Railways, the network of Pakistan Railways extends from Karachi to Peshawar. Northern Pakistan has a few railways with only two lines in central Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and none in Gilgit Baltistan so far. The network is also sparse in Balochistan with only one line, and the whole southwest region has no rail network at all. Though this will change with the construction of the Gwadar Mastung line as part of CPAC. In contrast, there is a dense rail network in Punjab province and medium density network in Sindh province. In general, there are more railways in the east and northeast, fewer in the west and southwest. It shows a dense railway network in Punjab and Sindh, especially along the rivers, since tracks are easier to build on flat land. In Balochistan, Quetta is center of the rail network and is connected to Sindh and other parts of Balochistan. Places in mountainous regions in northwest like Chitral, Gilgit, Skardu, Mingora, and Kalam are not accessible by rail. Only the vales of Peshawar, Kohat, and Bannu in the foothills of western mountains are connected by rail. Let's talk about the gauge. The broad gauge is 11,492 kilometer tracks. The meter gauge is 389 kilometer track, and the total that Pakistan has is 11,881 kilometer track. Pakistan Railways has a two gauge system: the broad gauge and the meter gauge. Broad gauge is 5 feet 3 inches wide. Meter gauge is 3 feet 3 inches wide. Important routes have broad gauge track as well as a principal route. The map also shows several branch lines. Although the rail is relatively cheaper for longer distance, Pakistan's rails network has not been well maintained or developed. It has deteriorated over the years due to lack of investment, worn out rails and slippers, operational inefficiencies in timing, overstaffing and corruption, uneconomic stations, a poor reservation system, presence of single track on a short segment of the main dual line, which has severely affected the running of more than one train at a time. The condition of railways equipment is not good. 65% of the rails, 55% of the sleepers, 60% of the diesel locomotives, and 100% of the steam and electric locomotives are old or outdated. Declining passenger numbers and financial losses in the late 1980s and early 1990s led to the closure of many branch lines and small stations. Today, the total length of the track is only 7,800 kilometers. In 1999, it was over 12,000 kilometers. We need to change this. Since 2019, it is around 7,800 kilometers. So the trend is towards the decline. This also creates confusion as why there is a decline of about 4,000 kilometers in the last 20 years.